If I had to start over today and build a brand new AI agency to my first $10,000 a month, I would not sell websites, random automations, or a confusing menu of AI services. I would sell one simple system to one type of local business, content that turns social media attention into leads and booked appointments. I know this model works because my agency generated more than $5 million in revenue over the last 12 months, selling social media management and advertising services. That is revenue, not profit, and your results will depend on how well you sell and deliver. But if I lost the team, the systems, and the client list tomorrow, the version I'm about to show you is exactly how I would rebuild. And I'm not going to give you a theory. I will show you the offer, the $10,000 math, the exact content workflow, the lead magnet, the automation, and how I would get the first clients. By the end, you will have a business you can actually explain in one sentence. Let's start with the model, because the simpler this is, the faster you can sell it. Chapter 1. The AI agency I would actually start. The agency I would start is an AI social lead agency. The client is not paying for random posts or a list of AI features. They are paying for one result: content that starts conversations and gives those people a clear path to book. I would choose one appointment-based niche where each new customer is valuable. For this demo, I chose med spas and built the system for balanced aesthetics. Dentists, roofers, attorneys, and home service businesses can work too. Pick one, learn what its customers care about, and repeat the same offer. ChatGPT Work creates the content. High Level gives each client a branded account and handles approval, publishing, lead capture, follow-up, and booking. That is the whole stack. Do not sell the feature list. Say, we create your content and turn the people who engage with it into leads and booked appointment. Now let's put a price and a path around it. Chapter 2. The $10,000 offer and the math. I would price the first version at $500 a month. 20 clients at $500 equals $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. That is goal math, not a guarantee. The offer is simple: 20 approved posts each month, one conversion-focused carousel, one branded lead magnet, one comment to direct message automation, and monthly reporting. AI makes the price work because one person can direct the writing, design, scheduling, and automation. You still review every claim and every post before it goes live, but you are not starting from a blank page for each client. One niche, one offer, one monthly price, one path from post to appointment. Now let me show you the part that makes the delivery possible. Chapter 3. Build a month of content from one prompt. For this demonstration, I used Balanced Aesthetics and Wellness, a med spa in Atlanta. I opened a new ChatGPT work project, attached a high-level social planner, CSV, gave it the business website, and asked it to complete the campaign from research through delivery. The prompt told it to review the website and build the brand guide, research strong med spa content patterns, create 30 branded images across educational, promotional, and engagement categories, write the captions and hashtags, upload the assets to Drive, and complete the high-level CSV. The important part is not that the prompt is long, it is that every deliverable is defined before the run starts. The AI knows the brand, the content mix, the file destination, and the exact format required for scheduling. Look at the result. The grid uses a consistent luxury palette, warm ivory, charcoal, muted sage, dusty rose, and soft gold, but it does not feel like the same template copied 30 times. The skin barrier post works because the headline teaches something useful immediately. The copy is short enough to read on a phone, and the close-up image gives it a polished editorial feel. The consultation post is promotional without looking like a coupon. It sells a personalized plan which feels premium and naturally supports a booking call to action. And the Glow Buddy post gives people a simple reason to interact. It is on brand, easy to understand, and designed for tagging rather than passive likes. Then I kept the same work project open and asked for a 5-slide carousel. Because the brand research was already in context, it did not need to start over. It created a cover, 3 useful skincare rules, and a final slide telling people to comment Glow for the free guide. Before anything goes live, I would still review the claims: spelling, image quality, links, and brand fit. AI can create the first version fast. It does not remove your responsibility. I would also test every Drive image link and confirm the sharing setting, because a perfect post is useless if High Level cannot retrieve the file. Once the quality check passes, I import the comma-separated values file into Social Planner, map the correct Facebook and Instagram accounts, and choose an approver. That last step is important. The client or account manager can review the content before it is published. At this point, the client has a month of professional content waiting for approval. But content alone is not the agency I would build. The next step turns that engagement into something the business can follow up with. If you want to build alongside me, use the first link below to start my 30-day high-level trial. It is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Open the same tools while we finish the lead magnet and follow-up. I'll show you the full bonus stack after the system works. Chapter 4. Build the lead magnet in AI Studio. The carousel promises a free glow guide, so now I need to deliver it. Inside AI Studio, I asked it to create a branded lead magnet for balanced aesthetics called 5 Ways to Get Glowing Skin Without Surgery. I also told it to create a clean premium med spa design and put the guide behind a form that collects a name, email address, and phone number. That gives the business permission-based contact information instead of just another anonymous social media view. One detail from the recording is worth noticing. AI Studio asks follow-up questions about the color palette, typography, and page layout before it finishes. That is good. I would answer those decisions instead of rushing past them because the client sees the quality of the page, not how fast I clicked. The final page has the guide on one side and the unlock form on the other. The visitor sees the value, enters their details, and gets access. For the client, that form can create a contact, apply a tag, trigger follow-up, and connect to a calendar. Now the offer is no longer we post for you. It is we create content that gives people a reason to raise their hand. The final piece is responding while that interest is still warm. Chapter 5. Turn glow into a conversation and a booking. Inside high level, I opened automations, clicked build using AI, and described the entire follow-up in plain English. When someone comments glow, the workflow should reply publicly, send the guide in a direct message, and hand the conversation to the AI agent. The agent can answer approved questions about services, qualify the lead, and share the booking link. I would train that agent on the business website, brand guide, approved service information, policies, and calendar. I would also give it clear guardrails. It should not invent prices, medical advice, availability, or promises. If it does not know, it should say so and hand the conversation to a person. Here is what the customer experience should look like. They comment, glow. The post replies so they know the request worked. The direct message arrives with the guide. They ask, how much is Botox? The agent responds using the business's approved pricing guidance or offers to confirm the exact quote, then shares the consultation link. That is the difference between content management and a lead system. A normal agency celebrates the comment. This agency turns the comment into a trackable contact and gives that person a next step. Everything you just watched, the content, form, direct message, AI reply, and booking runs inside high level. If you want to build this exact system, use the first link below for my 30-day trial. You'll also get my 1-hour onboarding call, AI business blueprint, and growing prompt library, so you are not opening a blank account and trying to figure it out alone. It is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Comment agency below if you want me to make the exact prompt pack and client acquisition templates available. The system is built. Now let's talk about how I would get enough clients to reach the first $10,000 a month. Chapter 6. How I would get the first 20 clients. I would not start by building 20 different versions. I would make one strong demo for one niche, exactly like the balanced aesthetics example, and use it as the proof. First, I would build a list of businesses that are already good at what they do, but inconsistent on social media. I would look for strong reviews, a real website, a valuable service, and content that does not match the quality of the business. Second, I would create a short personalized sample, not 30 free posts. One strong post, one carousel cover, and a 2-minute video showing the comment to DM system. The goal is to make the opportunity visible without doing the entire month for free. Third, I would send focused outreach every weekday. I would keep the message simple. I noticed your social content does not give people a clear next step. I built a quick example showing how one post could turn comments into leads. Want me to send it? Fourth, I would sell a 30-day launch at $500 with clear boundaries, 20 approved posts, one carousel, one lead magnet, one comment automation, and monthly reporting. No unlimited revisions, no custom website, no random tasks outside the system. And fifth, I would focus on the first 5 clients before thinking about 20. Those first 5 teach you which posts get approved, which questions leads ask, where the automation breaks, and what the client actually values. Then you improve the template, ask for referrals, and repeat. The math is simple, but the work is still real. 20 clients at $500 is the target, not a guarantee. You still need consistent outreach, sales conversations, quality control, and retention. But you are no longer trying to invent a new service for every client. You are installing the same useful machine again and again. And that is exactly why I would choose this agency today. It is easy to explain, affordable enough to open conversations, valuable enough to retain, empowered by a delivery system one person can operate. So if I were starting from zero, this would be the plan. One appointment-based niche, one $500 a month AI social lead system, one repeatable demo, and one platform connecting content to booked appointments. ChatGPT Work creates the content operation. High level handles approval, publishing, lead capture, follow-up, and booking. Your job is to choose the niche, review the work, sell the outcome, and make sure the system performs in the real world. You know what to sell and how to deliver it. Now you need one owner to say yes. In the next video, I show you my easiest foot in the door offer, the exact outreach message, and how to turn Send It into your first monthly client. That video is on the screen now, so check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.